Hello everyone, in this tutorial I want to show you how we can prove that derivative of sine inverse x equal to 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. Let's do it. We assume that y equal to sine inverse of x, then x equal to sine y. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x, derivative with respect to x, it becomes 1 equal to cosine y dy dx, then dy dx is equal to 1 over cosine y. And we know that d dx and y equal to sine inverse. So we write sine inverse of x equal to 1 over cosine y. Also we know that cosine y squared plus sine square of y equal to 1. So cosine square of y equal to 1 minus sine square of y. Then cosine of y equal to 1 minus sine square of y and the square root. Also sine y equal to x and sine square of y equal to x squared. And sine square of y equal to x squared. So cosine y equal to 1 minus x squared. Put it here. D over dx sine inverse of x equal to 1 over cosine y, which cosine y equal to square root of 1 minus x squared. That's all. I hope it can be helpful. Have a nice time.